Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Oladotun Oladele. I'm using this opportunity to invite you to the first Yoruba Cultural Festival that will be taking place in Oyo. I am presently in Doba Stadium, Oyo, and this is the festival arena where this great festival will be taking place. If you are into bata, you are into soap making, you are into um, Ashofi, you are an artisan, whatever business that you do, I am inviting you to Oyo. If you are a stand-up comedian, whatever trade you ply, I have a room for you. And I can tell you that this Christmas, for 7 days, from 21st to 27th of December, right here in this Doba Stadium, we are going to be convening for 7 days. You will not want to miss this. Begin to plan, begin to book your hotels, and begin to tell your families this Christmas is going to be wow.